Do you know that I have my own backdrop collection? Years ago, I started creating my own backdrops using traditional flowers, taking photos, and sizing them for my own backdrops. Then, once I learned how to use AI, I decided that I could create my own textures, own designs, and create my own backdrops. This is something that I also teach in my AI site. Well, after dealing with many different vendors over the years, I finally have a vendor that I love, and so my backdrops are back on sale again. What I love about these is they're great for the beanbag. You can clip them up for a wall or you can put them on the floor. You can pile them up in your suitcase and not worry about wrinkles, because if they have wrinkles, all you have to do is pull it tight and those wrinkles should come out. Of course, you can steam them just like any other backdrop. You can throw them in the washing machine, tumble dry low. So what's great about these is I can use these in my studio, and I can also pack them up and travel with me around the world, something that I have been wanting for years. But I was never quite happy with the textures or the things that I was finding, so I found my own source. Very, very excited. We have many of these in stock. You can order them at creativedreamdrops.com. You'll see that I have many different textures that are here, and all of these are my own designs and ones that I've already been using for quite some time. So take a look at the website, look at the various sizes. This is the 5x6 size that works great on the beanbag, or you can put it on the floor. This is a 5x8 size, but of course you could go 8x8, 8x10. If you're somebody that has a portable studio, these are perfect. Put them in your packing bags, shrink them down, and off you go. If you have a traditional retail studio, they're very easy to store because you can just fold them up and put them away. I love the simple textures. It goes with my style because I created them myself. I have many, many, many designs that you can take a look at. And if you're an enthusiast that likes to create your own backdrops, you can print them through my source. Just check out creativedreamdrops.com and go to My Drops in the menu, and we'll be happy to print your own designs.